Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in to Thunder Valley CB Shop. We got the Wolfman here. Hey guys, we got a few used radios in. We got this Galaxy DX99V with the A-Static mic. It's already been peak tuned and aligned. We're asking $150 for that. We got a Uniden PC66. It's already been peak tuned and aligned, $120. We have the US General here, and it has the cow noise toy in it, $150. Uniden Bearcat, $150. We got our new Galaxy 929. We have one General E left and one Connex 3300. We've got the Cobra 29 and the Big Bad Wolf here, the RCI 99N4. Alright guys, don't forget about the artwork. We got some of these that we're selling here. If you want something custom, let me know. And we're trying something new. So if you guys want any knives sharpened, we got the Ken Onion knife sharpener here. Sharpening up knives for, I don't know, we'll figure 20 bucks depending on the knife. I gotta look at it, but average about 20 bucks a knife. Alright folks, we also got a new phone number for the shop. There it is, 505-886-1299. So call that number from now on. We appreciate it. Go to our YouTube page and subscribe and share. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. Have a good day.